In this video, I want to show you how you can test if you have HIV at home. And I want to be using this product called OraQuick. There's a few other out in the market, but you can literally just go out in the store right now at Walgreens or CVS or any other store like that. You can get it on Amazon. And the cost of this one is called OraQuick, and it's about $45 or $50. I think it's well worth it. You know, if you get labs, it's just as expensive, if not more. So I want to show you how to do it right now. So, of course, just take it out of the box, and it gives you this little care kit here that shows you directions and everything. What's going to happen is here on the bottom, there's a little panel that opens. It gives you some instructions and stuff. And it's going to give you two little plastic things. One is a test tube right here, and then one is the actual test stick, and that's the one that you swab around on your gums, on your mouth. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now from here, you want to get out your test tube and your test stick, and you want to open up the test tube first. So open this one up first. Go ahead and take it out, and it's got like a little liquid in here. This is what you want to be dumping your stick into. So just pop off this cap and be careful not to drop the liquid, or you'll have to get another test. Okay, and put it over here in the holder. Now let's open the stick right here. Okay. Right here, so I have the stick. Now what you're going to do from here is you want to go around your gums, on the outside of your gums, first the top and then the bottom. You probably remember this from like 2020 pandemic. But the difference is you want around the gums and not the cheeks. So let's go ahead and do that now on one side of the tip, and try not to touch anything with it. What you're going to do, let's just get around the gums like this. And just swab your gum really well on one side. And then get the other side and go on the bottom gums. Okay, and then you want to take this and set it right here on the test stick holder inside the solution. Now from here, set a timer for about 20 minutes, and I usually use Alexa, but just set the time for 20 minutes, and do yourself a favor, do not stare at the test. Okay, there's going to be the C and the T, and the C is basically just the control. That's always going to be a line there. That's to show you, that proves to you that the test is working, regardless of what the T says. The T on the bottom is what you're looking for, whether you have HIV or not. But do yourself a favor, do not sit and look at it. Okay, it's the most terrifying thing you can do. Do not do that. Go for a walk. Just make sure it's not over 40 minutes. Go for a walk. Maybe pray. Get a Bible and pray. I'm not saying to pray, you know, I don't want to have it. But just pray to your God and let yourself just be calm. Okay, it's been 20 minutes, and this is my result. So as you can see here, like I was telling you before, the C's got the line on it. That's the control. That means that the test is working. And as you can see there, the T means there's no line whatsoever, not even a faded one. So that means I do not have HIV. Now, if there's a little faint line on the T, most likely that you do have it, most likely. But go to the doctor just to get, you know, a verification. But the main thing is it's worth the $50 to get this test. If you have any anxiety whatsoever, it's well worth the $50 to get rid of your anxiety. The chances that you have it is probably very, very, very low. I mean, it's very difficult to get HIV, very difficult. This test is for your peace of mind. And once you take it and you realize one way or the other, I don't care if you got it or if you don't got it, you are going to be so relieved and you're going to have a very nice sleep. And do me a favor, do not Google symptoms of HIV because I Googled the symptoms. I was up all night and I just knew I had it. You know, I was looking at every scenario, every sore throat that I had, every rash, every swollen lymph node. I looked at, I was like, I got it, I got it. You know, so I didn't have it, but even if you do have it, even if that you do decide that you do get it, you know, it's not the end of the world. It's not the 1980s anymore. You just take a pill in the morning and you're fine and you're going to live a long, healthy life. So it's a win-win situation. And that's how you need to go into it, regardless of how you feel. It's going to be a win-win situation, regardless of what the test is. Do not spend another, and that's what's so great about these home tests that you can just go to the local store and grab one or get one on Amazon, and boom, it's over with. You can have it out of your mind now. So please consider getting one.